Ready?
Shut up, Katrina.
I'm recording that, you.
What?
I just recorded that.
What?
Be nice.
What? Turn to start.
Okay.
Oh.
Watch your
I
legs.
can't even. No, I can't pull this out.
Keep it away from yourself, and then kind of push and pull at the same time. Use both arms.
So.
Cute.
Stop making fun of me!
No, the blade won't spin when
Some
it starts.
people haven't used a chainsaw before.
It's okay, Sean. Keep going. I wouldn't be any better. Come on. Yeah, that was a good one.
Almost had it. Sometimes it helps you just put it on the ground and step on the base, and you don't have the ability to
Put it down. Put your foot through
in the holder.
through the handle.
Yeah.
Put it on the ground.
Chainsaw?
Yes.
Yes. Put the chainsaw down.
All the way.
Yes. Yeah.
Put your foot through the handle.
Right there. Yeah. Right there.
Oh, yeah, I never started this. Yeah, I got.
No, put your foot through it so you hold it down, Sean.
What? Put your foot through the handle, Sean.
So it stays on the ground.
You're gripping. Put your foot there instead.
Were you giving it gas? Oh, should I give it full gas?
There you go.
Almost had it. Oh, almost there.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
One
coming
more.
closer. Oh,
That was the
then he catches on the brace. Oh. There you
Got
go.
it.
Yay!